Okay, so no, I'm talking to the camera. All right, so this is the new GoPro HERO 8. So I'm gonna do a comparison video where I'm comparing the image stabilization of the old HERO 5 Session, which was my first GoPro, and now this new one I have is the HERO 8. When I bought my HERO 5 Session, I bought a cheap Chinese pack of mounts, and the bike mount broke last week, but there's another mount that works for the same purpose if I put another adapter on it. So right now, and then I also bought the GoPro brand bicycle mount for this 8. So here's my current setup here, and both cameras will be running at 1080p 60 frames per second, but obviously the main difference will be that the GoPro 8 has the Hypersmooth. So here's the mount that the GoPro will be on, the 8, and here's the 5 Session, and I'm gonna have them running at the same time, and I'm hoping I can get some good comparison video. Today I'm going to Tony's Finer Foods, which is a nice grocery store by my house. It's my sister's birthday today, May 6th, and she really likes tiramisu, so my mom and I are gonna make her some, but we need to get some ingredients, so I'm gonna go bike and get them. All right, so I've seen people, I always forget my glasses. All right, so I've seen people clap to sync the audio for their videos if they have 2 cameras. I've heard of people doing that, so let's see what happens when I do that. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All right, let's do it. I'm almost intentionally gonna go over a bunch of bumps now to test the image stabilization. I'm gonna take a route that I anticipate will have less traffic than if I were to just take the roads that I would take if I was driving. So I'm noticing with this HERO 8, the mount, so this is a bicycle mount. I'm seeing this thing shift a little bit. It also has a, I'm using the ball, what is it? Ball and, I'm forgetting. But it keeps tipping up. I don't like that. Don't like that at all. Okay, so hopefully I just switched it out. Switched the GoPro brand bike mount to be facing the other way. So I'm anticipating the swivel mount now to be constantly trying to kick itself back, but it should stabilize it. I either go straight or right. I go right. I think I go right. Oh no, it's tipping forward. God damn it. This is where I need to turn in. Gotta find a spot to park the bike. It's always an interesting test. Does the store understand that people bike to it? Or is that anywhere in their thought process? Are they gonna have a bike rack? Or am I just gonna have to lock it up to a sign or a bench or something? We'll see. Nope, they have a bike rack. Great. Great. I doubted them. All right, I'm at Tony's Finer Foods, and I forgot my mask. No, I didn't. I brought it. brought it. That would've been bad. All right, let's lock this baby up. The whip. I'm not gonna bother putting the Hero 5 session on because I've probably got enough footage for the comparison, so I'll just do a little bit on the way home. I got all the stuff I need. Got the ladyfingers, some chocolate, and mascarpone. So I'm gonna mount this up on the bike now. God damn it. All right. My hope is that I am not absolutely crushing these ladyfingers. That would be pretty dumb. Geese. All right. I'm gonna go right here side. This guy goes. Thank you. Back in my neighborhood. This angle's too low. Boom! I can just move like that. All right, home sweet home.